Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana. I am a single mom. I do everything on an extremely tight budget. I am low income. I'm also a procrastinator. So, today am going to be doing 2 weeks again. I don't know if you guys seen the last video, which you should totally check it out, but I was in Florida for a while, and then it just gets crazy and it gets away from you. I just got back Monday, so I'm trying desperately to get this stuff done by the 1st because bills need to be paid or we have no place to live. So today isn't this cute? I love that. But I went to the bank really quickly. I had my ATM money, so we all know that there's only 50s, 20s, and 5s in there because ATMs don't have anything else. But today I am going to be doing 2 weeks. So I did get paid on the 20th while I was in Florida. So that one right there actually was my last paycheck because I did not get paid last week or whatever, the 27th. I did not get paid. What the hell day is this? I don't know. But I did not get paid that day because I have only been with my company for 3 months. So I don't have any vacation time, nothing like that. So this right here is going to be money that I had put aside for my income taxes for when this happened. Because I already knew, and I was like, bills, they need to be paid. Alright guys, so let's see if I can just move you slightly up. Okay, there we go. This is my little cheat sheet. If you can see it, just tells me what everything is because I'm going to have to be doing 2 of everything. So I think everything is pretty much the same from my last video. And we are only going to be doing my budget binder for my rent and bills. So my bill binder. When I figure out kind of what everything else is, then I will definitely do those. But for right now, because I don't have the extra money, I'm just focused on bills. And then I filled up my gas tank, which cost me $75, and I want to cry. But other than that, I'm not doing nothing. So for rent, we are going to be putting in let's see, $250. Actually, getting ahead of myself, guys. Let's count this out first, right? It's been too long. My dementia's kicking in. Alright, so I have 50 and 100, 50 and 200, 50 and 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, which means 500. Sorry, guys. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. And this makes 600, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So I have $630. So, yay! My bills will be getting paid, and my bill collectors are going to be proud, and I'm still going to be poor. And have no money. But at least I got it through, because before I'd be like, oh my god, what do? I don't have any money, and I just went to Florida for 2 weeks. What do I do? Oh, I was looking for the ones that I don't have in here. Alright, guys. So, how have you been? This is most likely coming out after Halloween, so I hope that you guys had a very safe, and fun and spooky Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday, and that's why I always go away. We always go to Florida. We either do Mickey's Not So Scary or Halloween Horror Nights, and because my kids are older now, that's where we go. So, alright, so in my rent binder, this is going to be the first one. I'm going to go ahead and take out $250. So I have 100, 250. So I'm just going to count this. I normally don't count it, Yeah. Let me make this easier for me because we all know I'm pretty special. But, yeah. I usually don't count this because I have so many binders, but like I said, in my last video is I'm actually going to be cutting down my binders, kind of seeing another way of doing things because I have huge saving goals coming up for next year. So that's kind of exciting. Okay, so I have 50 and 100, 200, 50, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 500. Woohoo! Rent is paid. Now, if you guys are new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you're sticking around and you're joining me because I've been on this journey for a while, but yeah, I'm not really consistent. So my channel doesn't kind of blow up like everybody else's, and I don't promote it or anything. I just kind of do it to keep myself on track and hold myself accountable. But I'm so glad that you guys are here. And if you're just like stopping by to say hi, definitely say hi down in the comments, but subscribe as well because this family is growing, guys. We're growing. We're going somewhere. So let's see. My electric is going to be getting $50. So you know what? I'm just going to stick this in there. So I have 50, 60, 80, and 100. Try not to move my phone, my camera too much. So I have $100 is what I always budget for my electric. My gas. Let's see. Kind of dreading what these are going to be like once I turn on my heat and stuff. Alright, so my gas is going to be getting $20. So I have 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40 because it's been on the lower end. Thank God. I love low bills. Insurance. My insurance. I'm trying to find another one. I have general, but apparently here in Rhode Island, they don't service Rhode Island. So everything for my car is still kind of in Colorado right now. So it's a mess, but I'm trying to find a decent provider who does the East Coast. So if anybody knows anybody, like if you could let me know, because yeah. All right, so for my insurance, I'm gonna go ahead and put, I look like I'm missing money, but that's okay. My insurance is going to be getting $50 today. Alright, so I have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, and 75. Alright, so 75 in there. My internet usually is about $100 a month. So this is going to be getting, because it is for 2 weeks, I'm going to be putting in $50. I said 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. Okay, for the phone is, I just got Verizon. So my first phone bill they warned me is going to be over $300. So I'm just trying to put as much money in here as I can. So for my phone, I'm going to go ahead and put $80 today. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. Seriously, like, I do not like 50s. Like, they make me look not so cute. Like, I can't count them. Alright, so I have 100, 50, 55, 60, 80, and this is 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. Ooh, so at least I know that I'm on budget, right? So I have 334, and I'm praying that it's not more than that, because, I don't know, maybe it just won't be paid in full. Alright, so my storage unit, which comes out on the 1st, so I have to get this in there soon. I only have 5 left, but that's okay because I appreciate ATMs. For my storage unit, I'm going to put $50 in there. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. 55, 60, 80, and this makes 100. So I have the $100 for my storage unit. TD Bank is going to be getting nothing. Amazon is getting nothing. And Walmart is getting nothing. By the time I put something in here, they're already going to do like the automatic like takeout. So I do still have, that makes no sense, automatic payment. So I do still have some money. I think I have like $300 and some dollars in my savings account right now. And so I'm just going to keep that in there. Whatever comes out, comes out. But in November, I definitely have to start like saving these. This one right here is going to be for my Thrive payment. So I am going to be putting in $20. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. Let's do it all together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40 is how much I have in there right now. And I'm going to go ahead and pay that soon. Okay, so for TD Bank, my minimum is usually like 30, but I've been trying to put more money in there. So I'm trying to put $10 a week, which brings it up to 40. It's not a lot, but they've been charging me like $6 for interest. Like credit cards lately have been so expensive, like it's ridiculous. So with my income taxes, I paid this down to like half. It was $300. I got it down to like 150, like 1 or 152, but it's because they keep charging me all this interest. So I haven't even used these things, which is good, don't get me wrong, that's amazing. But so right now I have 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. So I'm going to throw that in there. Burlington is going to be getting 10 and 20. Alright, so I have 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's see if I did it right. Yep, and another 20 equals 40. So, woohoo, 40 bucks. Right, JCPenney is going to be getting 10. I'm going to put 10 in there because I still have my Hot Topic one. So, I have 20, 25, and 30. And this one, and then for Hot Topic, which is my last one, so I have 5, 10, 15, 20, and then whatever I have left, which is 25 and 30. Now, like I said, I usually try to do like savings challenges, stuff like that. Actually, I have to go over my other one because I still have, I have stuff in here. So, like I still have money. My kitties have money. My miscellaneous has money. I actually did take this with me when I was on vacation, but as of right now, I don't know. I'm kind of like catching up on everything. So, you're in for a treat next week if I upload. Because I'll finally be able to put my money somewhere. Like I said, I have some money in the bank still, and I'm just going to, you know, the bills that automatically get taken out are going to get taken out, which is good for right now. That's why I didn't do like my TD Bank fee, which is $7, my Walmart. I get food delivered to me now because I feel like I'm so busy. I work a lot and I have 2 jobs and my other job's always calling me in. So it's just easier for me to get it delivered than for me to go out. And then, my other one was, I can't remember. I think it's my Amazon, which comes out automatically. Like, they ain't even playing with you. They're like, nope, it's time to pay your bill. So, and it's not something I can bounce. So, I'm okay with that for right now. But next week, we're going to get into our sinking funds. I might even, like, start switching them up a little bit. Because, like I said, like, I'm a binder hoarder. Sorry, my name is Jana, and I hoard things. Yeah, if you haven't seen my other channel and you've seen my house, which is completely unorganized, I'm always trying to improve it, but it's too much for me. So I have a lot of things that I want to save for, but I think that I have to start picking and choosing and then separating my categories. So I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do it next year, but right now I'm trying to think of like the perfect way to start saving for things, because sometimes it gets discouraging when you put in $5 a week and that's only $20 a month, or like $3 a week and it's only $20 a month. And then some things like you don't need anymore, and then some things you do need, and then some things you're like, it's just easier for me to, instead of saving for this, like laundry, to just get $20 and go, you know. So I gotta think of how I'm gonna start doing everything, but I will be back next week, and hopefully my nail won't be broken. I have really bad nails, but this is not white out, I promise, because it looks like white out and I like that. But I will be back next week, and since this is coming out after Halloween, and I love Halloween, definitely let me know what you guys did for Halloween. Did you go trick-or-treating? Were there a lot of kids? You know, I seen that they were telling kids not to wear certain outfits, like don't be clowns, don't be Jeffrey Dahmer. It's a huge one. Like, please don't be Jeffrey Dahmer. I mean, serial killers are cool and all, but yeah, it's a little bit morbid for a child to be dressed like a serial killer. But hey, each its own, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and go. This was a very, very quick video, but know that I missed you guys, and I did have fun, but was thinking about you guys. So I hope that you're with me still, and I'll see you next week. All right, bye guys.